Top 5 Best Digital Oscilloscope in 2024. Number 1. This product stands out for its exceptional quality, stellar reviews, and unbeatable value. It's the top-selling and most popular item of 2024, making it a must-have for everyone. Orders, reviews, rating for update price, please check description box. Number 2. Our second choice is another best-selling product, offering exceptional quality at an affordable price. If you're on a budget, this is the perfect option for you. Stay tuned to see why this product stands out as a fantastic deal in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 3. This is best quality product. Orders, reviews, rating, for update price, please check description box. Number 4. Hanmatek Digital Oscilloscope 4 Channels. Hanmatek Digital Oscilloscope 4 Channels 110 MHz bandwidth 1 GS, a sampling rate 5 mV per div, 7-inch LED SCPI LabVIEW communication. Features. 2 channels, both are respectively controlled by independent knobs. 100 MHz, 150 MHz analog channel bandwidth. 1 GS OSA real-time sample rate. 8 mm memory depth. Vertical range 2 mV div, 10 volts per div. Built-in 1 CH 25 MHz waveform generator. Vertical resolution 8-bit trigger, edge, pulse width, video, slope, overtime, wind pattern, interval, delay, UART, LIN, CAN SPI, IIC. CAN decode and protocol analysis, RS-232, UART, I2C, SCAN, LIN. Can save as multiple data formats such as setting, waveform, reference waveform, PSV picture. 5 bits digital voltage meter, and 6 bits hardware frequency indicator function. 32 kinds of auto measurements with statistics, real-time statistics of maximum, minimum, standard deviation, and etc. 2 sets of digital voltmeter. Support threshold testing, free measurements within the screen. Abundant SCPI remote command control, many external interface, USB host device. Number 5. Rigol DS202Z 2-channel, 200 MHz digital oscilloscope. All our products have 3 years warranty. If it has something wrong during warranty, you can send it back to us. The buyer pays for the returning shipping cost, and we will pay for the sending shipping cost. DS1000 ZEEWEII series is a high-performance and economic digital oscilloscope designed for the designing, debugging, and educational requirements of the mainstream digital oscilloscope market. Specification: analog channel bandwidth 200 MHz, 2 analog channels, real-time sample rate up to 1 GS per second. Memory depth up to 24 megapts. Up to 30,000 WFMs per second waveform capture rate. Up to 60,000 frames hardware real-time, waveform recording and playback functions. Innovative, ultra-vision. Technology, various trigger and bus decoding functions. Low noise failure, vertical scale range 1 mV div to 10 volt div. Various interfaces, USB host and device, LAN LXI, aux. Compact size, lightweight, easy to use. 7-inch WVGA 8x480 TFT LCD intensity graded color display.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay with me.